Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from books using Nishant Jindal's easy method. This approach focuses on deep understanding and efficient learning, helping you master any subject. We will cover 4 key steps to transform your reading into lasting knowledge. By following these simple yet powerful techniques, you can significantly improve your comprehension and retention, making your study sessions much more productive and rewarding. First, engage actively with your books. Do not just passively read or highlight, strive to understand each concept at that very moment. Make brief, clear notes for every chapter, capturing the main ideas. Summarizing sections in your own words helps solidify understanding and ensures you are truly grasping the material, rather than just recognizing it. This active process is crucial for deep learning. Next, focus on practice and self-testing. Nishant Jindal emphasizes solving all illustrations as you encounter them, not later. This immediate application reinforces learning. Create flashcards for important concepts and formulas. Regularly test yourself by recalling information without referring to your book. Solving practice problems is essential to apply your understanding and identify areas needing more attention, building confidence. Finally, consistent review and strategic focus are vital. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps once every week, to reinforce what you have learned. Revisit challenging topics often. Discussing concepts with friends can also deepen your understanding. Always keep your learning goals in mind, focusing on the most relevant information to maximize your study efficiency and achieve your academic objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.